The journey of Monroe began in 2020 when Leanna and I created the business, and in 2025 we sold over £200 million worth of homes alone.
We have a growing team of property professionals covering sales, lettings, property management and land and new homes across Yorkshire.
Hi, I'm Sam, the North Leeds branch manager. We have sold more properties than any other agent for the last 3 years in the premium market. For me, this is due to our strategic approach to selling and our high quality marketing materials.
The team have been amazing, all the way from valuation, marketing, and then just the kind of communication and customer service in between. Cannot recommend the team enough.
Today I am privileged to show you one of the greatest homes ever built in Yorkshire. I'm Rowan, the Land and New Homes manager. Our branch is more than just your standard sales agents. We offer a holistic approach to branding, marketing and specification. We work with our clients closely throughout the whole journey, assuring to constantly refine and revisit our strategy to deliver the best results possible for your development.
I think the thing that's really sort of set Monroe apart from the competition is the determination to find not just the buyers but the right buyers, the proceedable buyers, and then once they're secured, the sales progression and that proactive approach that the full team take has really made the difference, which is why we'd have no hesitation in recommending Monroe to other developers.
Hi, I'm Katie. Here at Monroe Lettings, we specialise in managing property portfolios with precision and care. Backed by a wealth of experience, our team delivers impeccable service for high-end homes, setting a standard of excellence that you can trust.
I have two quite significant buildings with about 19 flats in total. And it is a hassle to transfer over to a new agent, but it has been absolutely seamless with Monroe.
Hi, I'm Kirsty, manager of the Boston Spa branch. Whether you're buying or selling, we're committed to clear communication, honest guidance and a seamless experience from start to finish. Client care is at the core of what we do.
I wouldn't normally come out and do something like this on behalf of an estate agent, but I was so impressed. It's by far the best experience I've ever had from any estate agent.
At Monroe, we pride ourselves on out-of-the-box thinking with high levels of service delivered with integrity. To speak to one of our property experts, why not pop into branch or call Monroe today.